Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Welcome, welcome. We have made it to another another stream together. Xers, I got the flu, man. Slept the whole day yesterday and today slowly dying. Man, I am sorry to hear that, bro. You know, me too actually. I'm not feeling well the last 2 days, so it's getting to me, and today I'm trying to just power through it. But I feel you, bro. I feel you. Eric, what up, bro? Good morning, guys. Good morning. So we got some big news about to drop, which is nice. We're gonna let the news drop. I'm gonna clear out the charts and let's see what happens. Papa Bear, what up? Welcome. Good morning. This whole stream, I'm gonna be blowing my nose periodically, so I apologize. I won't do it in the mic, obviously. Ahead of time. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of news today. Excuse me. So we just had non-farm payroll drop. Building permits, quite a bit. And then tomorrow is retail sales, and then Thursday is inflation. So crazy week in the markets, guys. Crazy week. Just tape a vacuum hose to it. Yeah. And you just see me talk like this, and all you hear is my brains get sucked out through my nose. Nothing much, waiting for a coaching session. Oh, okay. I like it. I like it. We gotta hit that goal though. You know what I mean? I gotta make it a thing though. So I would totally do that on the weekend. Lock it in. Open up a Google Chat and we would go through it. But yeah, it's early. News just popped up. You know, there might be some opportunity, but we're just gonna chill out, let the markets breathe a bit, and clean up. So I got my combine. I lost that last trade yesterday, and then I YOLO'd it just to try passing yesterday, and I blew that eval. So I restarted another eval. And then these are my express funded accounts. So you know, we're live on the express funded side of things, which is great. We got live accounts, so we're gonna let things play out. We're gonna take it slow, take it nice and slow. It's all good. All right, let's just I feel a little FOMO that there's some momentum, but let's just draw out our supply zones and demand zones today. Boom. Nice and clean and simple on the supply zones today, guys. Nice and simple. That's on gold. Let's go to NQ. I tapping this 1 hour supply yet again on gold. And we've got a nice little demand here. We have another little demand on here. Been waiting for this supply for a while now. So potentially 25,500, be looking for shorts if we get up there at some point today. Besides that, my friends, we are We are youth of the nation. We are. I don't know if you know that POD. Some of y'all too young for that POD. We are the youth of the nation. We are. What funded hero I can hold weekends and news. So that means I'll be able to start working on my swing trade strategy. Let's go. That's awesome. I had a meeting with the team with Funded Hero yesterday on strategizing, and I need to like create some content with them. I'm super excited. Really busy. Tomorrow will be my last stream this week because I have Thursday I have to be at a job site super early, and then Friday I'll be at a hotel, so I don't want to stream from my laptop. Lord willing, tomorrow we'll do this one more time, but we'll face that tomorrow. All we have is today. How much money do you have? What the? Okay. To my name, I have $1.25 to my name. Adwalem 1414. Hi there. Welcome. Good morning. If we could just get an early pump up on the like button, just gets the algorithm juices going. If you're still here, still watching, just gently tap it, kind of gets it going, gets the party started. We're all gonna chill out. You know, now that we have funded accounts right now, I'm nervous. I'm feeling kind of jittery, so I'm gonna take it slow. Not gonna rush into anything. Wolf, bro, it's all good, man. It's all good. You could enter in for the next one, man. You can enter in for the next one. I smell Cap. You look like a millionaire. I smell Cap. You look like a troll. This guy's just trolling. I ain't no millionaire, bruh. I work with some millionaires. I wish I was a millionaire, but I ain't no millionaire. Hello, good sir. Evening, nice. You're on the other side of the world. Have you gotten payouts with Apex and other firms part of TPT and TopStep? Yes, I have gotten payouts with Apex like a while ago. TPT, yes, and TopStep, yes. Funded Forex. This was my funded Forex. It was way back in the day. I had payouts with them. Didn't spray my body spray this morning. Now I'm smelling decent. Well, we just had news drop, guys, so we're just chilling. And then I have my TX3 Markets account now. Took an L on the account yesterday on my 100K eval. So we'll be trading our 100K Pro on TX3 Markets and go from there. Took a small scalp on the hero account last night and scaled into 3%. Could have made more, but I didn't want to scale it as it got closer to TP top. Plus, I was testing the waters with Trade Locker. Yeah, Trade Locker is actually pretty cool. I actually like the system and whatnot, so it's actually awesome. And good job, man. Nice. Starting right with the account. You should watch Mamba FX. He helps people with trading. Yeah. I know what Mamba FX. He's cool. He's got his thing going on, man. 15-minute time frame. You know, support resistance goes long. Doesn't really overcomplicate things. So, well, he's a great marketer. He knows how to sell. So, sir, say something about smart money concepts. No, I don't. Every time, so maybe you haven't been here before, but smart money concepts is just. It's a system that's been wrapped up to sound like something else. And if it works for people, it works. I don't really care for it. You plan for 50K giveaway today? Aha! Someone noticed that I didn't put it up. I gotta keep it fresh, y'all. You know what I mean? I can't just do it every day. Free, 50 count. You know what I mean? Maybe, I don't know. We gotta keep it kind of fresh. You know what I mean? Gotta keep it entertaining, you know? It's like having a girlfriend and your wife, you know? You gotta change it up every now and then, you know what I mean? So I'm taking my wife, we're going we're going to a hotel this week. You know, she found out. I give her a few days heads up. She likes to know a few days ahead of time. And hey, we're gonna go to a hotel. I'm gonna be working, but you're gonna be able to relax and do your thing, right? Keep it fresh. So I'm keeping it fresh with y'all. Maybe I'm not saying no right now because I have access to do TX3 or what is it called? Funded Hero. But we're just chilling. We're just chilling. We all millionaires on paper account. That's true. That is true. I'm having lunch right now. Enjoy your lunch, my friend. What are you having to eat? Somebody? You bought a Porsche yesterday. Hey, oh yeah, Mamba. Mamba always buying cars, bro. Mamba living the trader life. You know, that's what we see as a trader life is cars and clothes and mansions. Which I don't really care for any of that. I'd probably be a car guy and still live in like an apartment. I don't really care to have a big old house. The only thing that bugs me is that it didn't let me move my asking price before it got filled. Yeah, that's rough, man. It's rough. I'd have to know exactly what was going on there, but it happened to me. Depending on how fast price is moving, you know, that stuff can happen. I'm gonna hold my tongue on Mamba FX. I went through his blueprint mentorship. Better hold it. Eric's like this right now. He's holding his tongue. Listen. I'll say it. I'll always say it because there's always new people that join in. But there's a lot of trading gurus out there, and some of them do make money in trading. But they just don't make as much as selling courses or mentorship or courses, and that's okay with me. If you're actually making money in trading, like you're actually doing it in front of people, or you have P&L statement to show, and that's 25% of your income, I ain't hating. You know what I mean? You're proving you're profitable. You're making money trading, but you're a good marketer. Now, if it's where you make zero in trading and it's all fake and there's no actual tangible P&L, then I don't respect it. Because this trading game, guys, like, it's very easy to get a following. It's very easy to gain people to follow you. If you sound halfway smart, people will start to listen to you. Because it has to do with money. Money is one of the most emotional things in this entire world. Everybody needs it. Everybody wants it. It's a part of every person's life in this entire world. Money affects them, just like oxygen. And the problem is you can easily manipulate people and get them to buy things that are going to give them more money, you know? So my advice is to stay away from traders that show off the flashy lifestyle. That ish will mess up your psychology as a developing trader. You know, I agree with you on that. I totally agree. I was that guy. I got caught up with Mr. Swaggy C and Forex, and not that I don't know if he's legitimate or not, but you know, the lifestyle of some of the Forex guys, I really wanted. So that's what my trading was all about, was like, oh, how do I get that? How do I become, you know, rich like them, and, you know, have a penthouse in LA and drive freaking Audi R8s and stuff like that, you know? But it's all sales, you know? And there's nothing wrong with it if you are showing profitable trading, okay? So there's nothing wrong with it. But I do agree, if you're new, you're just getting into it, you know, you got to take all that stuff with a grain of salt. But you know what? It's the evolution of trading. I fell into it. And that's what kind of kept me going. Also, it was a motivation. Like, okay, if he can do it, I can do it, right? But that slowly died off as I kept blowing funded account. So, yeah, there's pros and cons to each. As long as it's legitimate, profitable trading, that's all I care about. Is Forex worth trading, or should I back away from it? No, I mean, Forex is a real market. There are real people that trade Forex. You know what I mean? So there's nothing fake about it. Step back. I'm going to do my more post on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, personal page is ShaqMT. My trading page is Matrix Trading LLC. Excuse me. Is this my personal account? It is. Can you say you're profitable now? Yeah, I would say that I have more payouts than I have paid in fees. So in prop firm world, technically speaking, I am, but not by a lot. Like, only I've taken out in total from prop firms this year like 13, 14 grand. And I think I spent like 3 grand or 4 grand on evals and activation fees. So technically, yes, but it's all prop firm. Shorts on NQ potentially look a little interesting to me. What I'd like to see is a break of this swing low here. I'd want to see price break below this swing low, and then look to short and this 5-minute supply. Looks like we're potentially making lower high, lower high, lower high. We did create double bottoms. I don't know, like TradingView does this sometimes where it's like missing data. But we gapped up at market open yesterday for the next session. But potentially, as long as we break the low, I'd be interested in shorts. I was hoping to at least get one payout out of the prop firm account. Yeah, you know, there's going to be other chances, and you're free to go for the next one, man. You're free to go for the next one. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. That is literally the truth. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money, man. Who wouldn't want to make money in trading? I'll just a quick story. I think I was selling solar, and at the time I was still trying to trade, and I was with a bunch of like old guys in Florida and trying to pitch them solar and tax credits and yada yada. And then I mentioned just trying to build rapport. I was like, oh yeah, you know, also trade, you know, options. And they're like, day trading is a scam. It's a complete scam. There's no way people make money in trading, yada yada yada. And at that exact moment, I realized they accepted that trading is a scam because they can't accept that there are real people that actually make money in trading, because they wanted the easy money themselves. And that's what made me even want to push even harder, is the fact that people think it's a scam and that you're a scam for the markets are a scam and trading is a scam, made me want to push even more. So it is the hardest way to make easy money, but I'm still not like crazy profitable. I'm not the best trader. Every day is a learning experience of learning not the markets, but myself. You know, the markets tend to stay the same. They don't change much. We're either ranging or we're bullish or we're short. But what does change and what is always something that I'm learning is myself. Is it strange that I don't have an Instagram account? Nah, man. No. Not at all. I actually respect you that you don't have an Instagram account, man. I mean, my whole world in business outside of what I do, well, one of the worlds that I do in business is social media. Like I'm an agency, so I manage social media accounts for clients. And, bro, if I rarely just scroll. No, let me take that back. I do scroll, but when I scroll, it's because I'm looking for viral reels. I'm looking for content strategies. I'm like looking at what's popular right now. But bro, you have so much of your life without social media. Like you get so much of your life back without social media. What's your dream car? Yeah, you know, as I get older, that's a great question, by the way. Thanks for asking. Mr. SRT, must drive an SRT. I just sold my 2020 Toyota Supra. Loved the car. I don't want to say I loved it. I loved the attention it got. I loved that other people liked it, but I never really fell in love with the car. The car that I really do miss the most is my FRS, Scion FRS. I had the most fun in that. And my CRX, Honda CRX with a B18 swap and GSR tranny. So as I get older, to answer your question, I have been contemplating like Lamborghinis. Like I used to want the Lamborghini, the Audi R8. I used to want like these high-end exotic cars. And as I got older, or as I'm where I'm at now, I realized I don't even want them to want them. I want them because other people want them. And truthfully, a GTR and a Mark IV Supra and like an old Toyota Land Cruiser would be my setup, and I'd be happy with that. Maybe I'll get a Lamborghini for fun one day and to flip it, to make money on it, whatever. But for now, bro, it's a GTR. And so I'm actually looking at a 2012 GTR silver in Delvin, Wyoming, Wisconsin. Delvin, Wisconsin. Has higher mileage, but the price point is nice. $67,000. Should be. I'm with the sales rep. We're talking. You know, it does have an accident on the Carfax, but yeah. How much is your discount on Funded Heroes? Funded Heroes is, I believe, 20%. 20%. I should know this, bro. I'm so sorry. I should know this. It's either 40 or 20. No. It's 20 on TX3 and 40 on Funded Heroes. But they told me they're gonna match me on whatever's the most right now. So if they're offering 50, I'll be getting the matched of the 50. So I've usually blown over 100 accounts. I've only had 4 payouts. Those weren't until reset. Nice. Yeah, that's the truth, bro. That's unfortunate, but that's how it works. Excuse me. Perfect choice, brother. Thanks, man. Thanks. Hi, how you doing? Mohammed, I'm doing well, man. Thank you for asking. How are you? I don't post anything trading related on any of my social media. Only my wife and very close friends know that I'm learning. That's smart, man. That's smart. I used to post way in the beginning. I kind of post everything that I do because it tends to bring in business and, you know, building a personal brand. But if I can go back, yeah, I probably wouldn't post as much of what I did because I realized I was posting to kind of prove to others something. And that got me in a trap. So obviously doing this now, thanks for messaging us. This is not going to be monitored, but we'll get back to you as soon as we can. I forgot what I was saying. Sorry, I had to look at that message. You should buy a Hellcat Red Eye and swap it with a Demon 170 more, then you'll have 1,025 horsepower. Yeah, I could see you're in the Hellcat, you know, GM, not GM, but muscle car world. I don't hate those cars, but they're just big. They're not as nimble as I want them to be, and I'm not all about horsepower anymore. Like I used to. Like my Supra was fast, and I only had like 390 or 400, and it was too fast for me. I barely like stomped on it. You know, if you're going 0 to 40 on a like normal street here, you're gonna hit that super fast. So you got to go like really fast to feel that. And it's not about driving really fast for me anymore. I like hitting 0 to 40 in a car where I can rev really high. And I could hear everything and feel the feelings, and it's like pushing the car's limits 75%. At 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 40 is like only pushing, and like if you were to floor it, you're only pushing 25% of the car's potential, and you feel like the car is more of a monster. You know, like the car is hard to handle, and I don't want that feeling. I want to feel in control of the car. So 350, 550 max, depending on which car it is where my horsepower range is going to be. And I think GTRs, R35 specifically, shorts on NQ, I'm watching. GTR specifically, all-wheel drive, I think handle really well with all that power. So, is Funded Heroes website down? Not letting me in. I did message them because I tried going through my affiliates accounts, and they said they're working on it. So if you're in the Discord, you can message them. Do you teach people about what I want to learn? I don't necessarily have a course or teach anyone right now. You know, the live streams are free, but I also don't have the time to sit here and do like a full-on teaching. So I plan on doing maybe in the future some sort of mentorship or, you know, one-on-one coaching. That won't be free because that's time-consuming. And I cannot do that for free just because of like time itself. Like, yeah. Funded Hero was 60% last night. Checked unless they changed it. Okay, yeah. Then I'm on the same boat as them. Shorts freaking looked good, guys. Shorts really did look good on this 5-minute rejection. I just didn't want to. It wasn't like I wasn't very confident because we didn't break this swing low. Now that we've broken the swing low on NQ, I really do like the shorts up here. So long as we get this 5-minute candle closure the way that I like it, like strong bullish close. So let's see. I'm gonna pull this up on the combine, get this set up for a potential short. We're 30 minutes till open. I don't want to take this on the funded account just yet. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. But let's see, 19 seconds left. SRT-LEN has 1500 horsepower, M4 comp, and he's scared. And he is scared. I like the BMW platforms, like the M3, the F80 platforms. I think those are really good. It just feels too much like that crowd feels a little bit like the Subi boys, you know, vaping, you know. I feel like that's that kind of world, and if I were to get an M3 like that, I'd really like in my heart want it. So, but right now, if I want an M3, it'd be a freaking E30. That's what I'd rather take that over any of the new BMWs. All right, I'm going to take this on the funded account. I'm only going to risk 250 bucks. Bro, please, if you could teach about FXTM trade, please. I don't know what that is actually. I'll have to look that up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want to chase it. Oh my gosh. I don't want to chase it. I almost just marketed in on the uh combine. I think I'm willing to do that. E30 is cool, but Mopar on top. I feel you. I feel you. All right, we're going to take it on the rejection. This is just the combine, guys. I decided just to enter in on the combine. Not funded.
Order filled.
The 200 EMA might be a good just quick scalp, take profit. 25, 217. $218, 25. Let's see if we get there. I just took this again on the combine, not funded account. We are not doing this on the funded account. This is a 100K challenge, so I'm on TX3 Pro. Not on the funded, guys. Just again, I'm not on the funded. This is just this is just having a brain fart. This is just combines and evals. Might be holding itself. Might be holding itself. We really want to see this flush, but we might be cooked on the eval. This is pretty standard trade. Tapped into the 1 hour supply. We broke this last higher low. And we entered in at the 5-minute supply rejection. This one was a little bit of a late entry. A safe TP would be down here at the 25.1750 area. So we shall see. But let's just let's try to let the trade breathe. You know, I'm not for sure. Actually, we're hitting a 13 EMA here, so I'm going to play this tight because this 13 EMA on the 1 hour could be a place of rejection. I'm going to move to break even just because of that. I feel safer letting it go to break even. Excuse me. The 13 EMA on the 1 hour is a very like bullish thing, so I want to play it safe. 25, 18, 25, this blue line. I'd feel comfortable taking profits there. If we get it, we might get stopped out in the rejection or the retracement. But we shall see. Risk-free trade. Again, guys, I went to break even because of the 13 EMA retest on the 1 hour. So this could be just a short trade. We're in and out, break even for the day. Bullish top of the morning. What's up, man? I'll stick to Japanese GM tin can. Yeah. Udang umaga, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Oh, gandang. I don't know why I said udang. Gandang umaga. Gandang umaga, brother. Kumusta? I think I was going to blow the account because I was out of my element because I went to fully learned FX and I was out of my element on futures and there were so many questions I was having. That's true, brother. It's a learning experience, and you know the plus side is you came out $0 out of your pocket, right? Can't wish for anything better than that, you know. Done eating now. I was eating Nashima. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Nah, bro. That sounds good though. All right, looks like we're cooked on this one. I'm playing it safe, guys. I'm playing it safe. That 13 EMA on the 1 hour is bouncing. This right here. So I'm expecting some sort of price retracement from here, which is why I went to break even. All right, we got stopped out. We got stopped out. Not bad. We took the risk. Excuse me. We took the risk and we played it smart. 13 EMA. You know, this could have very well just kept dumping, and that's fine. I just would have. I'd rather go to break even based on that thing. You have more subs than me. I have 34 subs. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, man. I mean, anybody? I only have 2,470 subs. I mean, a lot. That's a lot in my eyes because I've been going live for a while now and haven't seen any traction. But anybody can get subscriptions. You gotta be consistent, and you know, I have a business and consulting that I do outside of live. So, you know, I make sure to make time for this. So yeah. What account are you on right now? That was just an eval. I didn't take it. Sorry, guys, not feeling good. I didn't take it on the funded accounts, but here are the funded accounts that we passed yesterday. Okay, not bad, everybody, not bad. Market's about to open in 20 minutes. I don't think there's much I want to do at the moment, so we're just going to let things play out. Bullish. Hashtag GodCan. I don't know if I'm giving an account away today. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, bro. We'll see, you know? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Buy, call. Oh, you like to trade options, yeah, you know, when I get the check for the Supra, I told everybody I'm going to open up my own funded account. I might take $1,000 and open up like a Robinhood account to buy options. So yeah. Take medicine for acidity. Don't hit your heart. Oh, did I hit my heart? Yeah, I'm on TopStep. I'm on TopStep right now. And then I have my TX3 Markets account here on a 100K Pro Challenge. But let's go over the polls right quick. Big news this week. Are the markets rallying? Question mark. 36% of you say, bro, it's bull season. 27% of you say, shh, bulls are dumb. Drop, baby. And 36% of you say, newbie, I want to learn. Okay, listen, if you want to learn and you're on your phone, go to the pinned comment at the top. And it says Discord. You have to copy and paste my message and click the Discord or copy the Discord part and go from there. And join the Discord. Completely free. Few traders in there. We just chatted up and talk trading. I also have free content as far as like my setup and trading psychology inside of the Discord. You know, you're on TopStep. Bye. Peace. Why not full screen streams? Why vertical? Yeah, I am currently learning how to do I have it on my notes right here. Stream vertically and horizontally at the same time. There's a way to do it. I just don't know how to do it. I'm using OBS right now, so I need to learn how to do it. So bear with me. Ah, man, is it one of those where it actually taps the 50 or it taps the supply zone and rejects? It might be one of those, guys. It might be one of those trades where this one actually gets inside. We shall see. I'm gonna figure out how to do it, guys. But just bear with me. I know I said I'm gonna figure it out, but like, it's a lot. It takes a lot of time. Do a coin flip to see if there's a giveaway on an account. Smart. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we do that. Maybe we have to do something else. I don't know. I like that idea though. How many funded do you have? We just passed 2 yesterday out live with the whole week. So we have 2 50K accounts with TopStep right now. Ever tried Alpha Futures? You know, people have brought up Alpha Futures a few times. I have it right here. I haven't yet. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. I'm just working on my next payout, you know. It's OBS, bro. Split screen. I don't know how. All I got is the. I'll have to look it up, bro. I have to look it up. I need to figure it out. Where may I join your Discord? The Discord is in the description or in the pinned comment at the top. If you're using your phone, you have to copy and paste it. If you're on mobile or if you're on desktop, you can click on it. Here, I'll just send it like this so you can copy and paste the message. Alex, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I'll need to look at how to get that done, guys. I will. You have my word. At some point, I will. Okay, how about we do this? How about we do this? TX3 Markets giveaway, 50K. Okay, but I'm gonna hold true to this. I will give a 50K account from TX3 Markets away today, but we got to get 50 likes today on the stream. Okay, so we got to get to 50 likes, and at 50 likes, I will do curls. So that it's something I'm giving back to you. Like, it's something that I have to do. So we're in it together. So if we do 50 likes, I'll give the 50K away, and I will do curls so you guys can be entertained. Deal? Sit on your hands winning a trade. That's the truth, Maddie. That's the truth. So there you go. Deal. 50 likes equals giveaway. Not from hitting the like. Yeah, exactly. Get the likes up. Let's get the likes up so I can get my curls up. Get the likes up so I can get my curls up. That should be like a house song. Some sort of like, you know, like in the beginning of some of the DJs. Get the likes up so I can get my curls up. Get the likes up. Get the curls up. Get the likes. And all of a sudden there's like the beat drops and we're just like, everyone hit the like button. Tell your mom and grandpa to like this stream. Tell them, bro. Tell them. MC, what's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Deal. I need to win a 50K today. Hey, bro. It's there. TX3 Markets. Excuse me. TX3 Markets. They'll get you that 50K. Hit that button, peeps. Let's roll the dice. Let's go. Roll them dices, bro. Probably shouldn't be caught drinking coffee because it's dehydrating. Does the comment section count for a like? I don't know, actually. How do you guys, if you hit the heart button, if you hit hearts on the screen, I think it'll do that. So if you're on the same page and if you guys are all on the same page, 50 likes equals a 50K account, and me doing 25 curls at 25 pounds, type a 1 in the chat so that I understand we're all aligned. 1 in the chat. So we're all aligned. Because I want to make sure everybody heard it. Everybody that's watching right now, we all know it's 50K and it's crap, already forgot. A 50K TX3 account and 25 pound curls, 25 reps. 1 in the chat, making sure we're on the same page. Dang, y'all moving quick, bro. Hold up. You're at 20. We're already halfway there. I made it too easy. Hold up. You can hit the top to hit the like button. Oh, that's true. Thank you. I didn't know that. Yeah, if you hit the top on your phone. Thanks, Will. If you hit the top on the phone near my name, you can hit the like button there too. So, and then the description's there too. Dang it, bro. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're all on the same page. 25. All right, deal. All right, let's go. Let's get it. All right. Market's about to open this morning. Let's, you have my word. 50 likes. I'm going to get that TX3 50K account. And TX3 uses Project X, which is cool. I actually, since it's just like TopStep, it's pretty smooth going from this one to this one. So take a trade. Moonlight, what you that's gambling, bro. I don't want to just take a trade. Do we want to get the itch? Okay, fine. If we'll go on to the practice account. I'm gonna market sell 15.
Order filled.
All right, this is just a practice account, guys. This is not real. As I think people want to be entertained. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? We are now short on a demo account. You don't look at gift horse in the mouth. You don't look at a gift horse in the mouth. I don't know what that means, Maddie. We need an anthem song like Space Jam. Pump it up, Jam. We traders so pump the candle. Okay. Listen, I had a call, and they're like, Shaq, you got to do this for streaming. You got to get a stream deck. So I have a stream deck. I haven't used it in a while. So I'm going to learn how to add music and like choose a song. So Space Jam, like I'll try to clip that part. I'm going to try to remember. And we'll make that like when we're going long, pump it up. So yeah. Hashtag God Candle. Hold on. I haven't said anything yet. Thanks, brother. No problem, man. Hey, hopefully your demo trade wins. 50 likes. You said it was easy. Hey, I didn't think it was that easy. We're already at 26. That's halfway there. And we're barely getting started on the stream. Y'all are crazy. Yeah, I definitely bullish, bro. I want to step up the quality for you guys. I don't think you guys have had a chance to look at the whole Moonlight. We're about to lose your demo trade. This is my office. I got this from another friend of mine. He owns a large prop firm. His dad and I work together. And it says, quotes don't work unless you do. That's a good one, right? That's a good one. Success, hard work, persistence, late nights, rejection, sacrifices, discipline, criticism, doubts, failure, risks. I got it from him. And this guy is actually a really popular trader. Anthony Williams on Instagram has like a few 100,000 people. He owns a prop firm, which is TX3 Markets. So that's how we're kind of connected. And yeah, that's my office. So I want to get the lights. I have a few more like standing lights here. And like when we're long, I'm going to make it green. When we're short, it's going to be red. And I'll change the colors. Actually, I can do that right now. Right now, we're break even, so I'm going to make it white. Oh crap, that's purple. All right, we're break even right now. It's white. You can't really tell the lights too well. So, but yeah. Have you thought of getting things to pop up like you? Have you thought of things to pop up like you? I don't know what you mean by that, Wolf. I got you. I liked Maine. Let's go. Thanks, bro. It means a lot. Good for you, bro. By the way, bro, I sell roofs here in VA. Hey, are you commercial or residential and insurance or Oh, okay, mostly insurance, bro. Insurance roofs just money, bro. I sold so many roofs. Well, when I owned a roofing company and managed it, these private equity guys, they had lots of money. Their roofing company sucked. They tried poaching me. I'm like, I'm not going to work for you because your roofing company has no system. You have no process. They're like, well, you run the company. And I was like, okay, but I'm not going to do it for free. So I sat in their fancy offices with glass windows and these two guys. One of them was almost a billionaire. I was like, you guys need this. Your website sucks. You have no social media. You have no systems. Your CRM sucks. And we negotiated a deal where I ran that company. We did insurance deals, bro. We probably put like $1.5 million in the pipeline with like 2 or 3 sales reps, residential, in a month and a half. But insurance, it just took forever to get paid from insurance, as you know. So insurance work is where it's at. It just sucks because it's slower money. And it's very seasonal. And if you're in an area like Arizona where there's not a lot of hail, it's not like the best. But yeah. Brother, by doing this, do you make money through YouTube as well? If so, how much? Bro, great question. I'm not monetized yet. I have literally 400 watch hours left, and each live I get anywhere from like 60 to 100. So it's always like 4 or 5 days behind. So I could already tell I'll pass the monetization part. So then I'll have to get back to you. So follow up with me in like mid-January. I can tell you how much. But shout out to Timmy. Timmy and someone else sent me some money. Timmy sent me 10 yesterday. Timmy sent me some money yesterday. This other guy who sent me rupees. I got 13 cents from him. And I don't know what country he was in, but it meant so much to me. And then Timmy sent me $10 yesterday. So far, I made $10.13 on YouTube, which is real. Like, as crazy as it sounds, it's not a lot of money. But this money that I just made, $10.13, is the most fun money I've ever made. You know, because it's like going live. Like, I enjoy this. So yeah. How we got to meet up sometime, bro. And what other traders in? Oh, bro, for real, I already got 2 other traders out here that I know before. One's in Yuma, one's here in Phoenix. But before I started going live, like, we were kind of connected. So yes, I think if you're in the Discord, hit me up. I'll get you connected with them too, and we can do like a trading, like, in-person meeting. That'd be sick. Dude, it's cold here. Any tips on door knocking in the cold? Bro, first off, door knocking is goated. And if you have never door knocked in your life, I don't care if you do it for full time and actually get good at it. I think that it's a good experience for everybody to door knock, because it was so demoralizing. And, you know, I was working at Apple at the time before I got into door knocking for solar. And once I got into door knocking, I realized, oh, freak, like, this is actually really hard. And it taught me how to have even better people skills. So door knocking in the cold, I would my tip to you is when it's snowing and it's a blizzard out. Well, no, you can't get on the roof. When it's really cold and it's snowing and you can still get on the roof, I would go out there and have the sympathy from the homeowners and be like, hey, you know, I'm you know, I'm out here, you know, when's the last time someone had to take a look at your roof? You want to hear my pitch? This is my cold calling pitch, but I'll try to role play with you on the door. Knock, knock. Hey, so sorry to bother you. We were actually just helping your neighbor down the street. So and so, we got the roof replaced, and make sure it's legit. Don't make something up. We got the roof replaced a few weeks ago from the storm that happened on so and so date. Do you remember that storm? Oh yeah, I remember the storm, but our roof is fine. Oh, okay, yeah, no worries. Have you had a chance to get on the roof and check it yourself? Like, I would question them, and most of the time, most homeowners don't get on the roof, right? And they're like, well, no, I didn't get on the roof, and I can see from down here that there's no issues. Well, a lot of the issues that we're looking for aren't going to be visible from the ground. You know, the smallest rips or tears can cause $1,000 of damage in the future. So look, it's complimentary. I'll just get on the roof and do this quick inspection for you. Where's a good place to put my ladder? Is it right over here? And I'm just assuming that I'm gonna get on the roof. And then when you get off the roof, you take your pictures, yada yada. You know, you do the whole spiel. You do the whole thing. I would suggest doing a video on the roof if you're not doing that already. And you get on the roof like, hey, Mr. So and so, I'm on your roof right now. Especially with the new iPhone 17 Pro, you can do the dual camera thing. I see hail damage right here. You got wind creasing right here. You have a little bit of granular loss, so you know it's not too bad, but yada yada. Seems like it's an older roof. Come down, show him the video, and then you assume the sale. So yeah, do you happen to know where your policy is at? This is where most door knocking salespeople on the roofing board fail, because they ask, "Would you like to do something? Like, we can file the claim." You're gonna fail. You gotta assume it. It's like, okay, great. Yeah, there's qualifying damage. The storm, you know, we got that person's roof replaced through their insurance over here. Do you happen to know what your deductible is? It's $1,000. Okay, great. Go ahead and grab your policy. I'm gonna go ahead and get the number ready. What's your insurance company? Allstate. Okay, great. Like, assuming the sale is the best way. All right, sorry for that. I love teaching sales. So yeah, I figured I'd give that to Maddie. I'm not gonna charge you on that, Maddie. Go out there and make that money, bro. Hey, I ran a performance shop in Cali before I moved to AZ, did marketing and ran ads for them. Very stressful. I'll stick to trading. True. When I'm making some big bucks in trading, I'll probably hire out my work on my agency side. I'll still keep the business, but I'll hire somebody to do most of the work. I sent the message earlier. I was trying to say, have you thought to have that will pop up on your stream automatically, like sponsors and stuff, like some streamers? Yes, 100%. I have. I'm going to learn how to do that. And then also every time someone subscribes, it's going to pop up, hey, they subscribed. If someone gives a super chat, it is, super chat this. So I'm learning that. But the suggestions are great. So thank you, Wolf, and keep those coming. Rupees is Indian currency. Oh, yes. He sent me rupees. Yes. Came out to 13 cents. He's like, it's only going to be a few cents. I'm like, but bro, you're the first super chat ever. So thank you so much. So it just was really cool to receive any amount of money from anybody. So perfect. I'll subscribe to you now, and later in January or February, I'll come with the same question. Awesome. And I will literally give you the most transparent answer that I can. And thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you then. Maybe you'll catch you beforehand. What's up, pimp? Sean Wick. I like that. Sean Wick. I know there's some in Tempe, but they sell courses. No, not them. These guys are literally, one of them actually worked for me. And then another guy, he has his own Discord. We met in person. He lives in Yuma. He has a pretty good job working on auto trucks, like trucks that drive on AI, and they're huge. Like we're talking about those huge dump trucks, like the ones that you can envision inside of a mine, like the biggest ones you can think of. He actually knows how to program those trucks with AI, so he doesn't make money from courses or anything. And we traded together for a little bit, so yeah. Try selling now. Okay, all right, hold on. Mayan. Hold on. The market's about to open, and I don't want to get myself messed up, so I'm gonna reset this actually. Excuse me, sorry guys. You be hustling. I do, bro. I do. I don't ever want to have a job again. I'd rather work for myself, and that's why I always am hustling. Bro, I used to flip iPhones, I used to flip MacBooks, I used to flip cars, I used to flip bikes. People used to make fun of me, bro. I used to think my friends back then, they hated on me, man. And I didn't know what I didn't know. I was just doing my thing, but hustling, all I do is hustle just so that, one, my wife doesn't have to work, and two, I don't have to work for anybody. Hi all from Australia. What is up, Australia? Let's do our check-ins. Our morning check-ins. Where is everybody at in the world? We got Bill from Australia. Welcome. Here's a book for everyone's Psychology, Cybernetics by Maxwell. I highly recommend this book for everyone. That's cool. I have to check that out. Indeed, great book. Oh, snap. I forgot to join my meeting with my team. Hold on, guys. All right, the shorts on NQ would have worked out nicely. Tolson, I forgot about that. Yeah, you guys got hit with some hail. We've been calling some commercial roofs out there in Tolson. Malaysia, welcome. That's right. Yes, hello. Malaysia. Zambia. That's so cool. I have a buddy of mine that sells commercial solar. He was out in South Africa. I don't know where exactly, but one day, Lord willing, take my wife to Zambia. A little frustrated because my team's not on the Google Meet. You match the energy from Leonardo DiCaprio of Wolf of Wall Street when entering a sale. Yeah. He's cool. He's cool. We have a meme for a car dealership that I have where he's like trying to sell stocks to somebody, and he's like, "Is it Bill? Yeah, this is Bill. Bill, I have the most amazing thing come across my desk today," or something like that. It's hilarious, that scene, and we use it in a meme for one of my clients. Pretty good. Good luck. Thank you. You should come. I'm sure she'll love the food here. Oh, 100%, man. 100%. My wife is definitely a foodie. Haley Salsi. Hail Salsi. Interesting. Check that out. We're at 30 likes. 50 likes gets you a 50K giveaway and 25 curls. It is time for me to eat my fueling, everybody. Cheers to you if you got your coffee. If you got your donuts, got your bagels. Gold is definitely going long. Excuse me. Who will win Ja Morant or Mike Diddy in the bed? What? What are you talking about? Oh boy. $50 likes equals a 50K giveaway. 50 likes equals 25 pound curls. Inky looks like to fake out and then be bullish. Agreed. Probably. I was looking at this 5-minute demand to go long, but I'd want to let price breathe a little bit. Excuse me. I need to drink water. I keep drinking my freaking coffee right now, but you know. You know, bruh. If you know what I know, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So we are in a 1 hour demand. I'd want to see price break above this last swing high right here. What's that song from Biggie? And if you don't know, now you know, my friend. Yeah, so this has got to close above here, and I would potentially look for longs. What are we thinking about with gold? Gold. I don't want to chase long right now. If there is a retracement back into this 1 hour old supply, new demand setup here, I'd potentially look for longs. If we get to this 1 hour supply up here, I will be potentially looking for shorts so long as there's a break of structure or some sort. So kind of going to wait a bit for anything on gold. NQ as somewhat of a setup that might happen sooner than later. So that's what I'm looking for right now. And if you don't know, now you know, my friend. You know very well who you are. No, 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 no. Reach for the stars. I'm Mexican, so I'm good. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Data soon? What you mean? What you mean data soon, bro? This, if you're talking about this, it's yellow folder, so it's nothing too crazy. So I'm not gonna pay too much attention on it. Oh no, TopStep's having a freaking issue. Anybody else having TopStep issues? Oh no, TopStep's having issues. Bro, sometimes with TopStep, bro. Sometimes.
Order filled.
TopStep X is way behind. If we miss out on this trade because of what's happening right now, I'm going to be pretty frustrated. I am going to be pretty angry with TopStep. Can anybody confirm with me that they're having issues with TopStep? We're pretty behind on the TopStep. Anybody having TopStep issues? Bro, what the freak? Oh, heck no.
Order filled.
What? 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 How did I just get taken out of that trade? Bro, what? Ay, ay, ay. This is why I'm going to open up my own funded account and stop trading prop firms possibly, because that is freaking messed up as heck. I'm going to TopStep's Discord. All right, yeah. Everybody, TopStep's down. I was literally up in profit by how much? So, this would have been a winner. So, this could have been a winner. So this could have been a winner. So this could have been a winner. I think Project X as a whole is having issues because TX3 Markets is having issues. Because it took me out of the trade for whatever reason. Even though we were up in profits. Makes no sense, but whatever. The charts looked way different. Don't understand. The song you're thinking of is called Juicy. Yeah, that's right. TX3 is a little behind. Yeah, it is. They also be scamming Moo Moo. TopStep, yeah, this sucks. Not too happy. This happens like once every 2 weeks, it feels like. Can I send you some Caspa? I don't know what that is. I'll go cry. Thanks. Yeah, go cry for me because this is pretty frustrating. We'd have a winner right now. This is like, this will put me on tilt where it's like we had a winner. This would be a winning trade right now. We'd be in profits. I'd be scaling in. I'm gonna open up my own funded account once that check comes in. Screw this. I'm tired of dealing with this. I really need to see this because most people only show their properties, but they don't ever share their failures. Oh, property. Oh, I don't know. Prosperities, I think is what you're trying to say. Yeah, man. 100%. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real. I think authenticity is the only way. That's another reason why I quit using TopStep. They always have an issue. They never had these issues when they were with Trade of 8. 100%. That's the truth. You're still a winner, bro. Thanks, man. Thanks. Can you explain to me how it would have been on? I don't know anything about the stock, but I'm eager to learn. We would have been in profit on the trade, but the system farted for whatever reason, froze, and then it stopped me out negative, even though we were in profits. All right, so maybe it's gonna work now. Ay. So funny. It is, man. It is. I'm a bit frustrated. Bro, is there any way I can help? I don't know anything, but I'm so down to help and learn. Yeah. I mean, join the Discord, completely free. I'll be doing free, chatting up in there. Every now and then I'll jump in there and talk. And I also have I also have videos in there for free to listen and learn from. I made those pop-up things before, and I sent you a couple I made in the D-Man. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you. I'll definitely take a look at those later today. I don't think it's the firms, man, because my position on TradingView paper account got taken out. Oh, interesting. Very weird. Technically speaking, I can short on TX3 Markets because I'm in the past and this is in the future. But that's cheating, and I'm not going to do that. So everybody on the Discord and TopStep is going crazy right now. As if the firm stopped your account before you could win. Before I entered the trade, I was looking to go long here. I tried to put a limit order buy, but it wasn't submitting. It was it was like freezing. It was saying it's trying to submit. So it didn't actually submit. So I would have been in profit on the trade, probably manage it and put my stop loss. But on TX3 Markets also, I was in profit. I just moved myself to break even, and then it stopped me out in negative. So something's happening. Yeah, I think something weird's happening. Took everyone out. Yeah, I mean, possibly, very possible. So TopStep's no longer with Tradeovate. Yeah, TopStep is with Project X, which they have these issues once every 2 weeks. Just count for it. Like, just count on it with TopStep. It's, yep, it's about time that we freeze everything and have issues, and stop everybody out and log them out of their accounts. It's about that time. Okay, guys, we only need 20 more likes to do the 50K giveaway, and then also 25 curls at 25 pounds. So we only need 20 likes left. 20 likes. Let me check on TopStep. Let me check the TopStep. Let me check what everybody's saying on TopStep. Let me check what everyone's saying on TopStep. Everybody's going crazy on TopStep right now. Discord. I want my money back. TopStep. I got you. I'll make 20 accounts. 20 accounts. I'll probably be off the stream by the time you get done with that, bro. I remember when Webull froze futures for some reason and I couldn't close a trade and they didn't liquidate, so I owed 100K on one margin. Nah, bro. No way. No way. There's no way, bro. There's no way, dude. That's crazy. Sounds like a lawsuit. So excited that he couldn't sleep. Who? Market looked like trash right now. Yeah, market doesn't look pretty good at the moment. Yeah, nothing looks good currently. Excuse me. $15 more likes, y'all. 15 more likes. I'm gonna give that TX3 50K account giveaway. They totally gave it all back a week later, but I'm still negative 100K for October. Bro, that's crazy work, man. Crazy work, honestly. That is honestly crazy, bro. Sorry you're going through that. I'd be stressed, man. Thank you to all the new subscribers. If you are just tuning in, welcome. If you haven't liked, we're doing 50 likes, 50K giveaway, and 25 pound curls. Let's wait for 10 a.m. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I don't like anything, so I'm just kind of chilling out. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. So at some point, you know, we're getting a little busy, and my team. I was gonna have one of my team members join as a moderator. So I'll be looking for a moderator for the chat. Um, so if you're interested in something like that, join the Discord. Send me a message. We can talk about it. It probably won't be anything paid right now, just because I'm not making much on YouTube. But I've already started thinking about that. So let me know. Ooh, 38 likes. 38. We only need 12 more. 12 more likes. Where's everybody at? Can someone just type 2 in the chat if they're still here with me? It's like no one's saying anything. I feel like I'm alone. Do I just go walk by myself? Do I just walk away? No one's talking to me, bro. I'm gonna go walk away. Or when I come back, let's see if we got 50 likes so that I can do the 50K giveaway. Wolf, that's true. That's true. You are here every day. Xers, you've been here the whole time, bro. What in the Xers? You've been here the whole time. You haven't said anything. What do you do? Trading? What are you making money? Xers? Shout out to Xers for making hashtag God Candle a thing. Hashtag God Candle came from Xers. All right, y'all are still here. 22222. Okay. Two. I'm gonna type in 2. 2. Man, I've been sick. Oh, that's right. Sorry, bro. That's right. Forgot you said you were sick. Holy cow! Look at this. I can technically go long on TX3. Let's see. Let's just do 5.
Order filled.
Because it's actually behind. It's technically it's behind by a few seconds. That would be crazy if we had this advantage where like we always had like data that was behind by a few minutes or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it at break even. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna try going to take that loss. I would have had a winner. They're gonna know if I try to scalp this using old data. They can't talk. These guys are gonna know that I'm trading off of data that's not accurate and probably take it back. Yeah, everybody would be rich if we had this type of if we had that type of setup. Please, which pair is this? I'm trading on my phone. Got to eyeball the market. Yeah, 100%. Just joined. Lost Souls, welcome. Please, which pair is this? Looking at MNQ, so NAS 100 on Forex. 2-3 ... Median signal 2. What's up? Welcome. Thank you. You're live. 10 likes left. We only got 10 likes left, guys, and I got a 50K giveaway. And then we got 25-pound curls at 25 reps. But we got to hit that. We got to hit that 50 likes, though, guys. We have to. It's only fair, okay? 50K equals 50 likes, right? Everybody would be rich. Yes, 100%. If we had that set up, everybody would be rich. Let's see if TopStep has fixed their issues. They are aware of the issues impacting all traders on TopStep. That's what they said. We're looking into a platform-wide issue, investigating. We are aware of an issue impacting TopStep X that currently affecting all traders. You may not be able to log in or trade right now until we resolve it. We recommend you avoid trading if you have access to your TopStep X. Man, let me get back on that legacy dashboard. Let me get on that old dashboard. Let me get back on that trade of 8. How do we get a winner picked? I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get to 50 likes, eh? Lost souls. You're pretty confident that we're gonna get there, huh? I don't know. We're still 8 away, 7 away. So I don't know. If we get there, we'll talk about it. Nah, me. We'll talk about it. Quinn said hi. What's up? What's up? Boss will join the giveaways. Answer us, bros. Boss will join the giveaways. Answer us, bros. Sorry, I don't know what that means. Well. I want to see some burpees. No. Y'all said that before. We ain't doing no burpees, bruh. Burpees equal breathing like a dog in the desert with no water. That's what that sounds like. Definitely will. All right. We're close to 50, but I'm not gonna bug you guys. If you want it, y'all gotta get it. 50 likes. I would be in a trade right now, but I can't trade unless TopStep T3X is up to date. Let's check. No, technically it's not up to date, and I can technically cheat and scalp T3X right now on the 1 minute, knowing where it's going, and just literally scalp it. But that's cheating, and I'd be doing that live with you guys, and I do not like to cheat. I like to be fair and honest and true. So we are not going to cheat. Dude, we're off by a whole like 20-30 seconds. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh snap, we're at 44. Only 6 more left. We only need 6 more left, man. It's still going to execute on live data. You won't have an advantage. It did work actually. I did scalp it a few minutes ago, and I just closed the trade. I'm used to watching on my phone, but I pulled you up on my Xbox. It's confusing me because on the door frame on the right keeps grabbing my attention. Door frame. Oh, yeah. It's another office that's not being used right now. I have liked with 5 my accounts. Dude, MC has exhausted all of his accounts, guys. You got to help him out. He's out of the 44 likes. He has 5 of them. You know, it's a team effort to get to 50. I cannot find your Discord. If you look at the pinned comments or the description, you just have to copy and paste the link. So sorry about that. I'll be going live horizontally soon, okay guys? I promise. I'm working on that. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Will someone tag? It won't let me copy. I got you, bro. Hold on. Yalla. I watch this guy named George. He is a car dealer. He buys and sells cars. And I think he's from Lebanon, and they speak Arabic. and whenever they talk to each other, they say "yalla." I think that means "let's go," and I think it's so cool. I love that sound. Like the sound of their language is very cool. So I mean that whenever I say, if I do keep saying "yalla," I say that in like a very respectful way. So I'm not trying to make fun of anybody. Yalla. Nah, well, yalla at 50. Okay, 50 likes, then we will yalla the 50K account. Let's slim by the market again. I cannot find your Discord. Will somebody tag it? As Penguin is right there. Let's pretend 50 is on play. Nah, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Our TopStep servers down. They are. Yes, they are. Unfortunately, we would have been long, guys. We would have been long. Pretty frustrated. TX3 Markets is still good. Let's take a look at gold right quick. Gold chopping left and right. Bro. Eric, I just saw you in the Discord. Gold shorts. I 100% agree with you. I literally was just thinking that. But it's a little late for me now. But yes, I was just thinking gold shorts. Nice work. Should I like on my short channel and my Wolf Will Hunt 2 and Uncut channel? You got all those channels? Discord. All right, that's it. Let's pick a winner. Grandma and Grandma, smash the like button. My Magic Ball says I'm the winner. Wordle today is Segway. I've liked it in 3 accounts. Oh, we did it. All right, we did it. All right, guys, we hit it. We hit it. So now we have to choose the winner. Huh. I won't overcomplicate it this time. I'm going to think about it a different way. If you are ready to win a 50K account with TX3 Markets, if that is you and you're ready, comment hashtag. Let's just do hashtag God Candle. That's the only thing I got for Xers. Shout out to Xers because he's not feeling good, but he came up with this God Candle. Okay, guys, hashtag God Candle in the chat. Everybody put their entries in. If you're ready to win a 50K account, type it in. We're going to do it for the next 5 minutes or so. Type hashtag God. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Everybody get your entries in. 8:10. 8:10. Let's give it some time. Let's get everybody a chance. 8:10. We're gonna choose the winner. 8:10. Hashtag God Candle. Hashtag God Candle, y'all. If you're looking to win, Mr. Worldwide. I see his bald head. I see his sunglasses. I hear his voice. Mr. Worldwide. Bro, trying to win an account for himself. I seen you put the God Candle. You know what? You're right. Hold up. Let me delete that. You're right. Remove. Okay, there you go. Message retracted. Thanks, Wolf. That would have been so funny if I got chosen. Oh, you know what? How about this? I'll explain. God Candle. Okay, look. If I get chosen, on the winning pull, okay, if I get chosen, I'll do a 50K and a 25K with funded hero. That's only if I get chosen on the first one. If that makes sense, okay? If I don't get chosen on the first one, it's just one 50K account given. If I get chosen on the first one, I'll do a 50K and a 25K with the same people who commented. All right, guys? So type a 1 in the chat if that makes sense. Please, I want to make sure I explain myself. Type a 1 in the chat if you understand that. If I get chosen on the first pull for hashtag GodCandle, I will give a 25K and a 50K. Everybody understand? Everybody on the same page? I just want to make sure. Deal. Okay, cool. All right. We're all on the same page. We're all on the same page. So that's like an extra like cherry on top. Only if I get pulled on the first one. Only if I get pulled on the first one. If I don't get pulled on the first one, then it'll be whoever wins the first pull for the 50K account. Sick. Nice. We're all on the same page. Deal. All right, let me do my curls now. We have 5 more minutes left. Let's let everybody get a chance to put their hashtag GodCandle in. Ooh, Bullish Gods came out of nowhere. Oh, shoot. Bullish was like, oh, snap, I got to put my GodCandle in. It would be wild if I win since I blown the last one yesterday. It would be wild. I'm cool with you winning another one. It would be wild if you did. Let me do my curls. Talk amongst yourself, okay? Talk amongst yourselves. £5? You say 25 pounds? If I said 25 pounds, this is going to suck. Because it's actually kind of hard. Buff Shack incoming. All right. Hey. Ah. Oh no. 5 pounds is too much. $18. Hey, oh, I'm struggling. Ah. One. 4. 5. Just so you guys know, I'm legit. 25 pounds. 25-pound curls. Ow. That's that one got me. Come on, bro. No pain, no pain, no gain. Bernardo said more. Dexter's last few, yes, sir. When is leg day coming? No. We ain't doing that, bro. You can do, bro. Thank you. Arian here again. What's up? Welcome. That was quick. I counted 25-pound curls, 25 reps. Oh, it's actually too much. I don't have much muscle. I mean, sorry. Underneath this fat, there's some muscle. I used to be able to bench like 245, 250 when I weighed like 200 pounds. I used to lift heavy weights. I can leg press, most ever leg press with 1,045 pounds leg press. Xers A. What is the app? This is TradingView and TopStep X. I mean, TX3 Markets. Okay. 1 minute left. Put hashtag God Candle. Hashtag God Candle. Area supply and demand. Areas of interest are 1 hour and 1 hour demand, 1 hour supply. Wait for a break of structure. We enter in the 5 minute supply or demand zone once there's a change of structure. Okay, everybody. Are we ready to do the giveaway? What do you think? Look, Timothy. I can help with that. Would you like to discuss it today? The Carfax on the 2012 Nissan GTR. I wasn't kidding you guys. Okay? I am going to potentially look at this 2012 Nissan GTR. All right, guys. Hashtag God Candle. Go ahead and slap it in the... Put your last ones in. All right, Instagram. If you haven't joined already, you gotta join on the live stream. We are giving away the next 50K live account or eval with TX3 Markets. Everybody put in their hashtag God Candle. Yep, they did. Here's everybody. So if you want a 50K account, I'm not saying I give it away every day, but I give away free accounts. Join the YouTube family, join the Discord, follow me at Matrix Trading. I'll see you guys. Okay. TX3 50K eval giveaway. Filter by hashtag. Okay, guys, let's go over the rules one more time. First off, if you are chosen, you have to join the Discord. I'm going to post my name up. You have to DM me and you have to show that you own this YouTube channel. And you're going to comment just so it's a standard. This was Eric's idea. You're going to message me a number directly in my Discord chat, and then you're going to type that same number inside of the YouTube channel chat. All right? That's how the giveaway is going to go. I typed in hashtag God Candle. If I get chosen, I'm going to give an extra 25K hero funded account. But I have to be chosen first. All right? Everybody understand? Everybody understand the rules? Everybody on the same page? Give me a W in the chat. That's only for wins. Give me a Y in the chat for yes. Making sure we're all on the same page. I don't want anybody left behind. I don't want to hear, I didn't know what you're talking about. You didn't explain it well enough. And that's not fair. Hoo. No. You got to type in Y in the chat. I want to make sure everybody's on the same page. Type in Y, and we're going to do this. Xer, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Someone said U, W. Okay. All right. We're all on the same page. Okay. Deal. Here we go. 3. Oh, confirm. 74 applicants. What if you get chosen 2 times in a row? For now, I'm good with it. Okay, I think everybody can accept. Look, if Wolf wins another account, fair game. He's here. He shows up. He's putting his name in the hat. I don't think it's wrong for anybody to win back to back. It's their choice if they want to give it away to someone else. But if I was in their shoes, as the stream grows and we get like hundreds of people at a time, you know, it's going to be super slim chance. But Will won a 50K account already, or 25K, whichever one, and his hat's in the 74 people right now. His hat's thrown in the drawing. All right, ready? Say it with me. 7, 6, come on, 5. Say it with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, let's go. It Gen X 532. It Gen X 532. Please join the Discord, my friend, to verify. Please join the Discord to verify. I just posted your name in the Discord, and make sure you message me directly. Wolf of Will Hunt, me in high school. Dang, Wolf, look at you. Wolf is doing deadlifts. Beast. Okay, Mr. Beast. All right. Xers are It Jen, are you here? It Jen? No freaking way. Yes way, sir. Yes way. Go ahead and join the Discord, please. Join the Discord. It's a 50K account. It Jen, join the Discord. Message me directly on the Discord once you're in. Okay. And then you're going to type in, I'm going to have you type in a number. It's not copying the link. Hold on. You're good. You're good. I got you. Here you go. It Jen. There's my message right there. That should help. I keep sucking in my mucus, and please tell me to stop doing that because I need to spit out my mucus. Okay, as disgusting as that sounds, I'm not feeling good, and I know if I keep sucking in the mucus and swallowing it, it's just going to stay here and get worse, and my cough's going to get worse. So tell me, if you see me swallowing my mucus, to spit it out. It Jen, did that work for you? He can't copy that message? What in the what? Hold on. Dang it, there's no way to contact you on your Discord, bro. All right, I'm gonna be patient with It Jen right now. I know if you go to the description on your phone, you can. It says Funded Hero is doing a 200K giveaway. Bro, they didn't tell me. I need to find out. I need to find out. Okay, everybody, on your phones, at the top of the live, tap on the like button up there. The top of the live on your phones. And then you're going to see description. Tap on the description. And then you should be able to copy the Discord from there. Right there. Put the link in your account description. Oh, you know what? It is. You know what? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for saying that. If you go to my account description, everybody, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got y'all. 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 Right there. Right here. Click on the link tree. Click on the link tree, and then Discord is right over here, guys. Right here. And that's little me. That's a little 9-year-old Shaq right there. Dancing to Backstreet Boys. You are my fire, the one desire I need. I don't know the words. If you say that I want it that way, tell me why it ain't nothing but a. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say Xers. I want it that way. There it is. Let's go. You are my fire. Trade Stop just joined in. I want it that way. Oh man, that is too good. We must have a bunch of 90s babies here. Discord's right here inside of my YouTube channel. Link tree. Discord. Bada bing, bada boom. Matrix Trading. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say. All right, everybody good? Hold up. I gotta make sure what's his name's with us. Itjen, did you find the Discord? I want to make sure by 8:30. I'm gonna give you another 10 minutes. 8:30. If we ain't lined up on the Discord and stuff, I'll have to move forward. But you should have plenty of time from there. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. Stuck in my head. It's gonna be me. Don't clip this and post it on TikTok or anything because I'm scared that might go viral and then I'm gonna be a meme. So don't do that. All right, guys. TopStep is still crapping right now. Very frustrating. But
Order filled.
I'm going long. I'm going long on my 100K pro account. This isn't like a super high probability setup. Too late. All right, so we are in on gold longs. Reason being is this 1 hour supply zone. This is this hasn't been a setup I've taken with you guys because it's not something I take all the time, but it's called a break and retest. Old supply, new demand. It's basically break and retest. But here's a supply zone. When we break the supply zone and we close bullish, I look for the retest of old supply, new demand. So now it's a new demand zone, and then we go long. So it's a break and retest on the 5 minute. So that's why I went long. Nothing more than that. It's very simple. Don't need crazy confluences to enter in on that trade. Again, it's just an eval, so I'm risking $1,100 on it. There's a 5 minute supply that I'm looking to take profits at. right here. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to right away. If we get there, because we're not in the clear yet. And bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Okay, I see you. I see you, bro. I see you, bro. Hold on. Accept. It's me. What's the number? It is, bro. All right. Jen, I gave you the number. Just type it in the chat there so I can confirm. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. The quad 8. All right, bro. First, I need first, last name. All right, brother. Good job. Congratulations to you. Just need your first and last name and email. Just send that over directly on Discord, and we shall go from there. I'm going to add into this if it flips up. Absolutely, man. Hey, you earned it, man. You won. You showed up. You waited. You put your hashtag God candle in. You put your like in. You earned it, brother. You earned it. Just give me some time, like everybody else that's gotten an account. It takes a little bit. I have to message the team, and they'll get back to you. I'm a little bit more aggressive on this trade or on this account because it's a 100K account. So hope you can make good profits today. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. This could be a loser, and I'd be fine with it. We have the Express accounts on TopStep X, but we're not able to get in. So we're not trading that. It is what it is. We might not get that rejection higher. My stop loss is 43.8 on gold. Risking 1,000 on this account. Trade Stop Media, what's up? What's up? What's up? Gen X, thank you so much. I got your information here.
Order filled.
Yeah, Jen, go ahead and create your account first, and then send me your email if you're going to use the same one. Just let me know when that's done, and then I'll send it over. You been good, man? Yeah, man, I've been chilling. You know, right now I'm feeling under the weather, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just gonna buy into that now.
Order filled.
Just like we've been practicing, trying to add into a winning trade, guys. We're trying to add into a winning trade. Market buy one more. So we're in full 20. And take profit is going to be somewhere around here. Potentially. But I'm just going to move it up. And so we're risking the same amount. Right now it's just managing the trade. This 5-minute candle close is pretty important if this is going to be a successful trade or not. But we're not in the clear. I'm still risking the same amount, which is 1,091. This next 5-minute candle, we really want to see it close bullish on the 13 EMA for us to feel confident for the next move higher. You using TopStep? No, this is T3X Markets. TopStep is still down. TopStep is still down. If you think the trade's going to be a winner, type a 1. If you think the trade's going to be a loser, type 3. 1 is a winner, 3 is a loser. Where are you guys at on this trade? What do you guys think? 1 is a winner, 3 is a loser. The fate of the trade is in your hands. May the force be with you. 1 is a winner, 3 is a loser. Maybe the markets will listen to what you guys have to say. Crypto 1111. That's a lot of ones, bro. I like it. How will the application for the moderator be? Yes, I will have that. I'm going to have my team come up with a Jot form or Google form to submit your information. And it'll be pretty simple. I'll probably have you just jump on a, quick call, make sure that we're on the same page, let you know that it is going to be, no income for it right now. But I want to build a base of a good team and moderator and then grow from there. What does your tattoo say on your arm? It says it's Revelations 1:17 from the Bible. It says, "When I saw him, I fell at his feet as though dead. Then he placed his right hand on me and said, 'Do not be afraid. I'm the first and the last.' I played drums for many years, and my buddy and I made a song out of it. And we were just rocking out. We were screamo emo band. And I got it tatted, or I got it tatted on my arm. I forged my mom's signature because I was too young to get a tattoo at the time. Went to the tattoo artist. Bing, bada bing, bada boom. I got home and my mom cried because she's like very conservative Filipino, and I'm a rebellious child getting my tattoo. So yeah, look at this next 5-minute candle closure. I will look to go to break even, but at the moment I'm going to allow this to close. I want to see this close 5-minute candle closure first. Long that NQ. You're long on NQ. Not bad, not bad. A little risky. Not something I'd take right now. All right, we are at TP technically, but I'm trying to learn to let winners win and let runners run. So let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. My TopStep is down. This is TX3 Markets, by the way. This is TX3 Markets. They use the same Project X. Itgen. Okay, perfect. You did. You got it. You got it. Stand by for me, Itgen, okay? I'm in a trade right now. Just bear with me. Sending it to the team. Your last name's pretty cool, bro. Excuse me, everybody. Excuse me. Jen, I went ahead and sent it over to the team, so bear with me. How much do you pay on? How much tax do you pay? It's a very personal question, but I have a good tax guy, and I try to pay what I should pay. That is my political answer for you. All right, bada bing, bada boom. We had that 5-minute candle closure on the 13 EMA, which is nice. It's a stronger bullish signal for us. So what we're gonna do is move to break even, which is below this 5-minute candle, and see what happens from here. I'm totally accepting of break even on this trade, guys. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm trying to learn to let winners win. It did hit our TP. This is just an eval, but I wanna be like the top traders, and top traders add into their winning trades, and they let their winners run. Currently speaking, on the 5-minute candle, I feel confident that we're gonna go higher, but I can only let it. I can only give it a chance by being at break even underneath this 5-minute candle. So we do have this 5-minute demand forming, so there might be a chance that we do tap into there and see if we get the next leg higher. I might be wrong and be at break even for the day. How many days of withdrawal before I receive in my bank account? How many days the withdrawal before I receive a bank account? TX3 Markets, I haven't had a withdrawal with them yet. TopStep's pretty much like a day or two. Has any US data been released today? Yes, there was a bunch this morning. Where's Easy Kid at? I haven't seen him in a while live lately. He made some money. Yeah, Easy Kid. Yeah, you shout out to you, bro. If you ever see this, hope you're doing well. Okay, guys. Okay, we're at break even. If it's a losing trade, I'm gonna lock myself out for the day, and call it a day from there. Excuse me. Sorry if you saw that. That was disgusting.
Order filled.
Ah, haha. You got stopped out. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I'm gonna lock myself out on this for an hour. Don't want to feel FOMO tilt. It was a break of structure on the 5-minute, so shorts, you know, looked good here, but it didn't fit my parameter on being in a 1-hour supply. So I would only take that setup if it was in a 1-hour supply. Hindsight's always 20/20. You could say to me, "Oh, Shaq, you should have taken profits there," right? But you know, this could have gone even higher, and then I would be feeling FOMO, right? So totally fine with. Again, it's just an eval. I'm not feeling too frustrated about it. Yeah, there's some mixed emotions, but it is what it is. We're good. Took 3K off NQ today. Super nice volatility. Nice. Want to hang out for the rest of the stream. Kitchen project. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, brother. Penguin, take care. Thanks for joining. It means a lot. Hopefully I see you again in the future. Take care, brother. Good luck on your kitchen project. Okay, guys, I have my next meeting at 9 o'clock. TopStep is down. That being said, we have not taken any trades on the Express accounts. Oh, is it gonna do us dirty like that, bro? It is gonna do us dirty like that. The last 38 seconds. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. But I can't trade. I locked myself out for that reason. Guys, if you made it this far in the stream, it says there's 50 people watching. I definitely appreciate you. If you haven't really said anything, you're just watching in the shadows, all good with me too. Appreciate you being here. Look, trading alone and losing money alone doesn't feel good. Making money alone doesn't feel good. So this community is just here to support. I'm here to support you. I'm here to help you through your trading journey. Trading isn't easy. It's the hardest thing I've ever done, and it's a journey, a learning thing every single day. So if you haven't joined the Discord, it's completely free. If you are going to purchase any funded accounts with Funded Hero or TX3 Markets, use my code ShackMT. I'm working on TPT and Alpha Future, like getting codes with them. But I think this was a great stream. I think that this was a little frustrating that we couldn't get in on our TopStep accounts. Besides that, I had a lot of fun. Appreciate you. Lord willing, I see you again tomorrow. And if I earned your subscription, means so much if you subscribe so I can see you again in the future. Is there anything that I can do for you guys? Just let me know. Join the Discord, and we'll do it all over again tomorrow. Peace in the Middle East.